Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS background image repeat. In our previous tutorial, we've discussed about the CSS background image and how to use it in details. But right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS background image repeat. So what is CSS background image repeat? I'm going to give you a serious simple example right now so you can be able to understand how it works. Let's say for instance, this is CSS background image repeat, right? Let's say for instance, how does it works? This is it. Let me quickly do something right here. I want to do something. Let's say we are having this box. Let's give it, I just want to give it a color. Yes, let's say for instance we are having this black box right here. When you specify the image repeat, if you specify the CSS background image repeat property, this image, when you use it in your background, automatically by default, let's say this is an image, like I told you in our previous video where we are discussing about background image and where we are discussing about image itself. This one I'm holding right here, this one I'm moving up and down, is an image. It's by itself. Let's now say we want to use it in our background as the background image. The background image by default, it's going to, let's say all this screen is our image, so it's going to duplicate this like this. It's going to duplicate it like this, like this. I want to do it in a reasonable way so you can be able to understand how it works. It's going to duplicate this like this, like this, like this. It's very funny. It's going to duplicate it to the left and right of the columns until it filled all the boxes. Can you see the way I'm aligning it up like this? It is going to duplicate it in your screen. So let's say for instance, as it duplicates it to the left or horizontally, when it's filled your screen, it will still continue by duplicating it. Sorry, I forgot to delete this place. Yes, it will still continue by duplicating it to the left again until this right side is filled. I don't think you are getting the point. This image now duplicated to the right side, and when the right side filled horizontally, it's now duplicating to the bottom also, so that all your screen can be filled. So your screen, your screen will now be filled with what? With all these images you see right here. I'm not here teaching you how to use Microsoft Word, but this is so useful for us right now because I have to teach you this in a reasonable way that you are going to understand it. Can you see? Now it's going to duplicate this one also. It's going to duplicate till it's going to duplicate like this in this sense. Can you understand what I'm talking about now? This is image repeat. So it's going to repeat our image in this manner. So that is the benefit of using the image repeat in our background. Can you see it filled all the screen now? So the exact image is the one, it duplicated to the right, and when the right full, it now jumped to the second line, it duplicated to the right again, it jumped to the third line, it duplicated to the right again. That's how it will be duplicating to your screen. So I want you to understand the image repeat. That's what they mean by image repeat. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring it much more better than this. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so